Hey guys, I want to talk to you about this Blackjack Double Duty Face Moisturizer. Let you know I did pay for this myself. I do own this. I just want to talk to you a little bit about this actual product. I use this all the time. It has SPF 20, which is really important for your face, especially when you're outside. It's got a nice moisturizer. It's a broad spectrum SPF 20, as it says here. And it just has a nice scent to it, but not too oily at all. It goes on smooth. It lasts a long time. I just want to show you what it looks like real quick out of the tube. And let's just show you what it looks like. It's white, and you can see once you put it in your skin, rub it in here. It's got a nice scent to it, and it actually dries pretty quickly. And it's just a nice quality item. Love the Jack Black products. I love them all. I use them all the time. I just want to show you what it looks like. Here's the back of it. Here's the front of it. Again, double duty face moisturizer. So it gives you moisturizing for your face and also the SPF protection for sun damage. So just got to be careful about that. You need to really protect your face. And for guys, this is really what I recommend. I use it all the time, and Jack Black is definitely the way to go. Appreciate your time. Hope you enjoyed this quick review. Thanks for watching.